Hey, what's up? My name is Mr. Popo, and we are Popo. In this tutorial preview, I want to discuss the reason why I went with this style. Um, Mostly because of the questions that I used to get when I had social media, which is where can I start in your channel if I'm just starting in After Effects and motion graphics? And then I thought a lot, and I thought too much. And I came up with this tutorial, and I think this is the best kind of tutorial to start with if you are new to After Effects and you've done like one or two or three beginner tutorials in After Effects. The reason why this is so exciting and this is really the right After Effects tutorial, it's because not only it's beautiful, come on, it is, but two, it's because you can use this in infographics, in explanatory videos, but not only that, all the concepts that are used in this tutorial are very simple, and it's just like these small little tricks that are very helpful and can be carried to VFX, compositing. You can even, these concepts, you can take them into 3D. And actually, why aren't you creating this in 3D instead of After Effects? But never mind. Yeah, that's a lot of steps, and I think everyone can watch this tutorial, which is coming later this week. I'll try to record it ASAP. I hope you're excited about this, because this is POG. So is this POG? It is. My name is Mr. Buffo, and I'll see you on the next one.